What is a possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun is a part of speech that takes the place of a noun to show possession or ownership, indicating that something belongs to someone. Possessive pronouns are possessive forms of personal pronouns: he, she, they, etc. Writers typically use possessive pronouns to replace a noun phrase, allowing them to prevent the repetition of a noun within a sentence. Instead of, "The blue one is her car and the red one is my car," you can say, "The blue one is her car and the red one is mine." Here are the guidelines for the appropriate use of possessive pronouns. Although including an apostrophe s shows possession with nouns, possessive noun, possessive pronouns should not include an apostrophe. Its is not a possessive pronoun. It is the contraction form of it is. Independent possessive pronouns, hers, his, mine, are positioned after a noun in a sentence or clause, whereas dependent pronouns, her, my, our, are placed before a noun. Independent possessive pronouns, also known as absolute possessive pronouns, are used to reference an established noun, antecedent, within a sentence. Since they reference an already identified noun, independent possessive pronouns typically are positioned toward the end of a sentence or clause. These pronouns cannot precede a noun. Independent possessive pronouns are hers, his, mine, theirs, yours, and ours. For example, the brown cat is ours. The house on the left is theirs. Dependent possessive pronouns also replace nouns and indicate ownership or a relationship. Unlike their independent counterpart, dependent possessive pronouns are placed before the noun, as they function as adjectives. Their purpose is to show ownership between a person and the noun placed after the pronoun. Dependent possessive pronouns include my, her, his, your, its, our, and their. For example, my fence is white. His house is made of brick. Here are some example sentences using independent possessive pronouns. Simon thought he grabbed his lunch. Our team beat theirs. Those over there are yours. And these are example sentences using dependent possessive pronouns. The bid loved its new house. I didn't recognize my own voice. Is that your book?